Swoosh, just do it. 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 Swoosh, just do it.
Yo, what's good, everybody? How's it going? This is your boy Jovenel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to be installing lights underneath the seats on the car. Company name is called LED Mercy. They specialize in all LED lightings for cars, off-road vehicles, motorcycles. Any LED you guys need, they have it. So please check their Amazon website out. I wouldn't lead you guys to the wrong direction because they really do got some good stuff that I will be always going to them to purchase. So I will definitely have all the information going on this video. You'll see it down below throughout the whole video of their website, their Amazon website. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, where to tuck all the wires, and we'll show you guys what it looks like after. Let me not waste your time anymore. Let me go ahead and start on this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the product. Grab it out the trunk. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in. Right here. And we're gonna be installing the lights underneath the dash and the seats. Go ahead and open it up. Comes with a remote. I guess this is the receiver, controller, and then these are the lights, a whole bunch of wire. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's turned on. Plug it in, turn the car on, no keys, oops. Alright, so there they are. LED Mercy. Hit them up, man, if you need any lights. I plugged it in, so now I'm gonna go ahead and press this button. There it is, it lights up. The cool thing about this item too is that it's voice activation. So when I'm talking or when the music is on, it's gonna light up, which is pretty dope. Once I have music playing, it's always gonna light up. That's cool. I never had a feature like that before. So now time for the fun part. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how or where I put the wires. Let's start. So I split them in two sections. What you want to do is make these go through there. Let me see if there's like a sunshine on the other side. Alright, so I'm just gonna make an attempt to see if it'll go through the other side. This would be way easier than taking the panels off. So let's see. Well, they both went in. Well, let's see if I could retrieve it on the other side. Guys probably might not be able to see, but I'm trying to see if I can feel them. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna take this piece off. Oh, okay, I feel it. Okay, I feel one of them. There it is. It's pretty simple. Let's see. Okay, there it is. It went right through. All right. So now I'm gonna pull it a little bit. Put this piece back now. All right. So now we know which one is the long piece. All I'm gonna do is just tuck it behind here, which is not hard at all. All you have to do, people. Now retrieve the wire from the back. There's a metal bar down underneath here, right here. So I'm gonna apply it right there. All right, people. It's installed underneath the seat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the front and push all this wire back in there. all that right in there. So pretty simple. I'm just gonna put it right where the cabin filter, I believe, is at. Alright, there it is. Pretty dope. I like it. I always wanted this on my car, so now that I have it, I did both passenger sides. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do driver side, and then I'm basically done. Do the same steps I did with the passenger seat with this side, wire it all the way through the back. Alright, so this LED strip, I'm gonna be applying it right over here. So do that right now. Last one, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck all the wires in. We'll do the final review on the LED Mercy product. Look at that. We're finally done. As you can see, light up blue, red. Pretty clean. So this process probably took only 30 minutes, not even. The hardest part was, well, there wasn't no hard part. All right, so let's try that out. We'll go ahead. Yup. All right, so every time you talk, it changes a different color. That's cool. So let's put some music on. Everybody be asking me where I be getting my music from. Swoosh guy right here. This is who I listen to. Let's see. Boom. Let's try this on.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, now I'm clean. Ready. Let's go. Yeah. I stressed a bitch one time, worst mistake I ever made. Cause when I came out the pussy, my pockets was still the same. You won't believe what your favorite rapper doing just for fame. I had to take the S, but swear I hate when niggas in my life. Young nigga, energetic, kinda hard to stand still. Head so good, made me sleep like I was off a pill. I won't do the show no more if my name not on the bill. Cause a lot of these promoters be janky as hell. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't cash, what it's about. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't cash, what it's about. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't cash, what it's about. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't. If you really want it, nigga, then you gotta grind for it. It ain't coming overnight, you gotta put in time for it. Niggas thought they knew I played, but I had to call it audible. Beat fireballs, gas on the track is highly flammable. No more PayPal, I need my cash in advance. Never save it, I just spend it as soon as it touch my hand.
Every time you talk, it'll change color. That's so dope. That's pretty dope.
Talk.
Yo. So it mimics the music.
Never catch me on no sucker shit. Ball hard candy at rugger, bitch. I'm unstoppable, I ain't finna.
Turn it off. Pretty sick. Alright, so I left the receiver right here because I don't think I'm gonna be leaving it plugged in right here. I'm gonna hide it. So as of right now, I'm just gonna leave it until the item that I have coming. So for right now, I'm gonna put this 3M tape, just hook it up right here so it won't move, and then yeah, man, we're done. We're done. That's it. If you guys like this, please comment, like, subscribe. This is pretty dope. Feel me? Stars up top. ocean on the floor, man. You feel me? Alright, this your boy Jovenel. Peace. I'm out.